President Emmerson Mnangagwa remained conspicuously silent amid a bitter and escalating feud between ZANU-PF spokesperson Christopher Mutsvangwa and influential businessman Mutsvangwa Tagwirei, a clash that has embarrassed the ruling party and exposed deep fractures within its top ranks. Sanapinda mashoko aruda panguva ino achinzi mutungamiri wenyika yeZimbabwe Emmerson Mnangagwa has ignored Mutsvangwa Tagwirei fight. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. The war of words between the two powerful figures, both seen as loyal to Mnangagwa and opponents of VP Constantino Chiwenga, is spewed into the public domain, revealing not just a personal grudge rooted in the Zimbabwe's fuel supply sector, but also intensifying competition over who should be the president's most trusted ally as succession debates loom. Despite the fierce exchanges, Mnangagwa has chosen to ignore the dispute, prompting speculation that he is deliberately letting the rivalry play out. In course, this is classic Mnangagwa, letting the lieutenants fight it out while he remains above the fray, said a political analyst. But it's risky. These internal squabbles could destabilize the party ahead of the leadership transition. The feud reached boiling point last week when Mutsvangwa publicly attacked Tagwirei during a press conference in Harare, accusing him of trying to buy political influence within ZANU-PF through lavish donations, including vehicles, gifts, and cash. Tagwirei, widely known as Mnangagwa's financial banker and one of the biggest beneficiaries of state contracts, responded swiftly in a strongly worded statement on his official X account. Elder Tagwirei, he accused Mutsvangwa of distorting the legacy and disrespecting his long-standing contributions to both ZANU-PF and national developments. However, this public spat has now laid bare the deepening fractures within Mnangagwa's inner circle as ambitions collide and trust erodes. Analysts warn that the president's refusal to rein in the infighting will prove costly. With each day he stays silent, Mnangagwa risks looking weak or complicity. The longer this rift festers, the more it threatens party cohesion, especially with the growing whispers of leadership transition on the horizon, added the analyst. Leo mashoko aripo panguva ine chinoka aiwa maanalyziro ari kuitwa kuno kuita mutungamiri wenyika mafights ari kuitika in the ruling party ZANU-PF. Pina comment section medu kuti mafungiro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pezviitiko izvi. Subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.